Hello, Matthew here from 39D. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Outlook plugin for Zoom. What this does is it allows you to create a Zoom meeting straight from your Outlook when you're using your calendar. So when we go into Outlook, we're going to click on up the top here. You do need to download this before you start, but you're going to click on Schedule a Meeting. What it will then do is it will pop up with your normal meeting option. And then it will also pop up with the Zoom schedule meeting. Now, one of the options here is to generate a code automatically. I prefer to use this because if somebody accidentally clicks on the meeting link, then they could potentially barge into your meeting. If it's somebody you're regularly doing it, then you can use your personal ID. And for security, I always put a password on all of my meetings, because it means that nobody can accidentally barge in on your meeting uninvited. And then I always use the waiting room. This holds everybody in a separate Zoom room with a message that says waiting for your host to start. This is really great because once you schedule the meeting, your Zoom will automatically start up at the correct time and open the meeting. Obviously, if you're not quite ready, then the participants could see what you're up to or what you got on the screen. So I always put people in the waiting room. That way then my Outlook will bong to say the meeting has started, and obviously then I can do the final few bits of preparation before the meeting starts. We then click on Save, and what this will then do is it will schedule the meeting with Zoom, but it will also put all of the details in the Zoom meeting link in the body of the message. So once the person receives the invite, they can click the link and start the meeting, and then quite simply all you need to do is fill in the to box of who you would like to invite to the meeting. It's probably worth changing the subject line because the generic subject line just contains my name. I tend to change it so that it's my name and whoever's in the meeting, so I know when I see the calendar invite. And quite simply, you click send. They will then get the message as a calendar invite with the chosen time. Obviously you can also set up reoccurring, so Zoom will continue to use the link over and over again, but you can also set reminders, and it will also then track if the person sends you a cancellation request or a postponement, then it will automatically update all of the details. If you would like any help with your IT or technology, feel free to visit us at 39d.co.uk or get in touch, and we will happily guide you through any other processes or demonstrate how we can make your day more efficient.